and fun.
Listen, she is motivated more than ever to use her talent in the hopes of making a positive impact in the lives of people around the world. The strong one, Etana, joins us now, and she's going to tell us about her latest project, Gemini. Good morning, Etana.
Good morning, Delia. How are you?
I am so good, and I'm so excited about Gemini. First of all, tell me about the name. Why Gemini?
Because it was created by Majority Gemini. Do you know what? Like when I did I Rise and then when I did Reggae Forever, I didn't realize that majority of the team working on the albums were Gemini. And
Oh,
so I decided, you know what? Let's just make it official and just call the project Gemini because majority of the people are Gemini. And then the PR person ended up being Gemini, and most of the people ended up interviewing me were ended up being Gemini. It's just weird. It's a weird energy, but Geminis get along with everybody. We adjust well. And I think it's the type of energy that we all need at the moment to get along, to build, to love, um, to share, to care for each other, and to adjust, to the changing of the time.
all right. What can we look forward to on Gemini? Because, Etana, you've given us love songs, you give a wifey song, you give a uplifting song, cultural song. There's always been a little bit for everybody. The young people, them, the poor people, them. Tell me what's happening on
It
Gemini.
sounds like you know well, go on Van Gemini already. So Gemini is filled with like love songs, of course, because I feel like in COVID time, right? In this time, a lot of people are home there together, and some kind of news went out that okay, like separations and divorces, peaking because people are now together. So I want to encourage people to get together, really get together and do the things that lovers do, and then there's some, um, there's some maybe just two songs with a different kind of message, and one addressing depression, and that's it. But
Oh.
it's exciting. It's different from what I've done before,
Mm-hmm.
for the most part, and I think that my fans will love this one through and through.
Yeah. You say Etana is not only an artist but a musical therapist. And what people can look forward to out of Gemini. And there you have it, 12 tracks, Party and Smoke. We'll soon get back to that. Um, what can people look forward to in terms of that type of healing? I see love. I see truly are some of the songs. Talk to me about that kind of healing that will come out of the
The
music.
song "Love" is an important one for me,
Yeah.
because it's like a letter to love itself. I think that being on social media all the time and being exposed to some of the things that we wouldn't normally be exposed to if there wasn't social media, you know. And I think that it makes a lot of us numb and we forget how to love or to forget what love really and truly is and what it feels like. And so my letter to love is to never let me forget what love feels like,
Yeah. I see
and
some.
I hope that that message will go across to everyone, you know, to never forget how to love.
That's an important lesson. I see some great collabs on the
Oh yeah,
album. Talk to me about that.
Kapaka Pyramid
Yeah.
and Bugle and the Nomads. Yeah, the Nomads is on this one. The Nomads is on this one. Yeah,
Yes. Yeah.
I Kabaka Pyramid, with the song Tight Space. We kind of hear like the energy connecting, like we linked already before, talked a couple of times, and regular conversation, and we just figured that hey, this is the perfect song to just bring the link together.
Yeah.
And when he did it, it was just like
Worked.
it perfect. Perfect, perfect. And then Bugle know the soul that he is, the soldier that he is, the kind-hearted person that he is, and he's like everything in one, same way.
Isn't he?
Um, yeah. And so, like, when I called him for the song called Jamaica, I knew what I wanted to get, and I knew what he's capable of, and I knew, and it's like everything just worked out perfectly.
Yeah.
And the same thing with the Nomads.
Yeah, they bring a different kind of energy. So
Yeah.
it's Gemini. When is it out? When can we get our hands on it? Tell me, give me all of that info.
Gemini is already up for pre-order.
Cool.
You can pre-order it on iTunes, anywhere there is music. And then the album will be live on June 19th.
Wonderful. Guys, look out for it. You know when the strong one drops something, it's
Drop.
hot. And listen, Etana, before you go, the one problem I have with you is that when you drop them, people connect so well with them that them feel
Yeah.
them can sing them.
But you know what? I'm used to it, because some of the times when I get to some venues and the crowd starts singing and you can't hear yourself at no point. You can't hear the music. I can hear not even the background vocals right next to me. So I just kind of start the song and just leave it, and they just sing it.
No, trust me, man. I did a talent thing and everybody sing at Etana. I say, you see when I see that girl Etana, man, me and she. But it means people connect. It means, when people own music like that and make it their own, it means really that it resonates with them. So kudos to you for keep churning
Thank
out
you so
great
much.
music. And congrats on Gemini.
Thank you, Delia. Hope you love it when you hear it. I need
My
to hear
must.
from you.
My must.
you.
Always a pleasure talking to the strong one, Etana. Once again, thank you, girl, for joining us. Now we're going to check out one of the songs on the project. This is Truly.